Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the F sharp major scale. I'm going to show you the right fingering with your right hand and your left hand. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you what triads, what chords you can derive from this scale. So let's get started. The F sharp major scale. The F sharp major scale, in fact, has 6 sharp notes. Okay? 6 sharp notes. Let's have a look. The F sharp, the G sharp, the A sharp, the C sharp, the D sharp, and this is a bit special in the next one, E sharp. Actually the note F, but it's called E sharp in this scale. Okay? So you have to remember all of these notes. Now to play the F sharp major scale with your right hand, you start with your second finger, like this. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Now put your thumb underneath and play the note B. C sharp, D sharp, and thumb underneath again to play the E sharp, E sharp. And finally you're back home with your second finger on the F sharp. Now going the other way on the piano, start with your second finger on F sharp, thumb on E sharp, third finger across, D sharp, C sharp, B, fourth finger across, A sharp, G sharp, and F sharp. Okay, let's do it again, a bit faster. Third finger, fourth finger. Okay, let's have a look at the left hand. To play the F sharp major chord with your left hand, you start with the fourth finger. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Now move your third finger across, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, and finally your second finger on F sharp. Going the other way, starting with your second finger, F sharp, E sharp, second finger, D sharp, C sharp, thumb underneath, B, A sharp, G sharp, and F sharp, back at your fourth finger. Let's do it again a bit faster. Third finger, second finger. Okay, now finally let's have a look at what chords you can derive from this scale, what triads, what 3-note chords you can derive. On step 1, you have the F sharp major. Step 2, G sharp minor. Step 3, A sharp minor. Step 4, the B major. Step 5, the C sharp major. Step 6, D sharp minor. Step 7, E sharp minor flat 5. E sharp minor flat 5. And finally you'll be back home at the F sharp major chord. So there you have it, the F sharp major scale. So I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart, or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.